Hey there, seafood lovers. Today I'm taking you on a culinary journey to Namibia, a hidden gem on Africa's southwestern coast, known for its unique and mouth-watering seafood cuisine. Buckle up because you're in for a treat. First up, let's dive into a traditional Namibian dish called mahangu soup. This hearty soup is a delightful mix of fish, rice, and mahang. Now, mahang, also known as pearl millet, is a staple cereal in Namibia. It's packed with nutrients and gives the soup a rich, earthy flavor that's simply unforgettable. Imagine a cozy bowl of this goodness, warming you up from the inside out. It's like a hug in a bowl. Next, we can't talk about Namibian seafood without mentioning their incredible oysters. These aren't your typical French oysters, folks. Namibian oysters are cultivated in the nutrient-rich waters of the Benguela Current, making them much meatier and more flavorful. They have a briny, oceanic taste that's perfectly balanced with a hint of sweetness. Whether you enjoy them raw with a squeeze of lemon or grilled to perfection, these oysters are a must-try. Now, for those of you who love a good fish dish, Namibia has got you covered. The coastal waters are home to a variety of fish like hake, Jeuhn, and Kingklip. These fish are versatile and can be grilled, smoked, or fried to suit any palate. I recently tried grilled hake, and let me tell you, it was a flavor explosion. The tender, flaky fish, marinated with local spices and grilled over an open flame, was nothing short of spectacular. If you're into smoked fish, you're in luck. Smoked Jeuhn, a local favorite, has a smoky, savory flavor that pairs perfectly with a cold Namibian beer. And don't forget about fried Kingklip. This white fish is lightly battered and fried to a crispy golden brown, making it an irresistible snack or main course. Namibia's seafood cuisine isn't just about the food itself, it's about the experience. The coastal towns like Swakopmund and Walvis Bay offer stunning seaside views that make every meal an unforgettable adventure. Picture yourself enjoying a seafood feast with the sound of waves crashing in the background. It's pure bliss. So if you're a seafood enthusiast looking to explore new flavors, Namibia should definitely be on your culinary bucket list. From the hearty mahangu soup to the meaty oysters and versatile fish dishes, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this tasty journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating. Jeuhn!